Alright guys, how you guys doing today, man? Happy Sunday to every one of you. Tompolo for NAIJA data. NAIJA come out now. Come talk to the whole world that Fubara will certainly be returned. You say, man, we dey hopeful. Says Fubara is coming back as you and I know, say, he's the current governor of Rivers State, but temporarily or permanently removed. But I'd like us to listen to what Tompolo have to say. The people of Ijo, they describe Tompolo as the Messiah, a man that have come to rescue their states. My people, make we listen to what Tompolo have to say here.
Even in Rivers State, our son, he will come back and sit on the throne. Yes. He will come and sit on the throne, our son. That kind of thing is not there. We will talk and understand. I want McDonald to tell this public one story. Listen, McDonald, tell them. In the whole of the John nation, Wike is my friend. When he put his boy, Seminary Fubara, to the throne of becoming the governor of Bayelsa State, no German was there. No German supported Wike to do that job. As we are here, we are only for truth. That is when my father can accept it. Then my mother can accept it. That is politics. No, that's fear. Because of that, our job people in Rivers State, all over the world should not be angry. We can, no matter how he insults us, we are the same people that installed Wike as the governor of the Rivers State. Now that he is in tandem in contact with this our son and they thrown him, we have to now talk to him. We need to dialogue, father and son relationship. Dialogue. Talk to Wike. We will bring them together. Even if you do not hear from me, you know I cannot betray you. There is nothing for me to betray John people anymore. Anytime the John people are standing, our man will always be victorious.
Nayara, what is your take on this? You think Tompolo have the power to bring back Fubara back to office? You also talk about Wike, say they no job people support Wike for the work where they do so. Nobody support them, for all this work where they remove Fubara and all that. But for me, what do I know? It's my duty to bring it to your screen. So put it on the comment section. Tell us what you think about this particular video. Join us every day on NWATCH Media, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about it as a you and I. Take care and bye for now.